NVIDIA Corporation (NVDA) Detailed Technical Analysis General Overview and Trend. NVIDIA Corporation has demonstrated a strong upward trend over the past 3 months, beginning at approximately 139.19 in late May and reaching a peak of 184.48 in mid-August. The stock is currently trading at 181.85 as of August 27, indicating it remains near its recent highs. The overall trend is decisively bullish, characterized by consistent higher highs and higher lows throughout the period. Despite minor pullbacks, the price action shows sustained momentum, with the stock maintaining elevated levels above key long-term moving averages. The trend strength is evident from the persistent buying interest and the ability to recover quickly from temporary declines. Price and volume analysis reveals significant activity during major price movements. Notably, on June 25, the stock experienced substantial volume of 269.1 million shares during its surge to 154.31, indicating strong buyer conviction. Similarly, July 31 saw high volume of 221.7 million shares when the stock peaked at 183.3. Recent trading days show moderate volume, with August 27 closing at 135.3 million shares, suggesting some consolidation near current levels. The price-volume relationship generally confirms the uptrend, with volume spikes accompanying upward breakouts and lower volume during minor pullbacks. The on-balance volume (OBV) indicator at 2.68 billion reflects sustained accumulation over the period. Moving averages. The moving averages confirm the bullish trend across all timeframes. Short-term averages, 5-day SMA at 179.28, 5-day EMA at 180.21, are below the current price, indicating immediate upward momentum. Medium-term averages, 20-day SMA at 179.57, 20-day EMA at 178.07, also trade below the current price, supporting the intermediate uptrend. Long-term averages, 50-day SMA at 169.23, 100-day SMA at 145.91, 200-day SMA at 138.46, are significantly below the current price, highlighting the strength of the long-term trend. The exponential moving averages, EMAs, are positioned slightly above their simple counterparts, reflecting recent price strength. The consistent alignment of all major moving averages below the current price underscores the robustness of the prevailing uptrend. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators show mixed signals but lean bullish. The RSI 14 at 61.40 indicates moderate strength without being overbought. The MACD at 2.90 with a signal line at 3.67 shows slight bearish divergence, though the histogram at -0.77 suggests weakening momentum. Stochastic oscillators present contrasting pictures. The 15-period stochastics, K at 66.83, D at 55.92, suggest continued upside potential, while the 5-period, K at 90.04, D at 77.78, indicate short-term overbought conditions. The Williams %R at -16.77 confirms strong momentum. Volatility indicators show the Bollinger Bands expanding, with the upper band at 185.10, middle at 179.57, and lower at 174.05, suggesting increased volatility potential. The ADX at 29.57 indicates a strong trend, while the Arun up at 56.0 confirms upward momentum. Money Flow Index at 54.13 reflects balanced buying pressure. The Commodity Channel Index at 55.94 supports the bullish case. Linear regression analysis over the past 30 days shows a clear upward trajectory with the price consistently trading above the regression line. The slope of the regression line indicates a steady rate of ascent, while the current position above the line suggests underlying strength. The regression channel boundaries show the price oscillating within an expanding range, characteristic of a strengthening trend. The most recent price action shows the stock testing the upper regression channel, indicating persistent bullish momentum. The R-squared value would likely show a strong positive correlation between time and price movement, confirming the reliability of the trend. Opening price prediction for next trading day. Based on the current technical setup, the opening price for the next trading day is projected between 181.50 and 182.20. This prediction considers the strong close at 181.85, the positioning above key moving averages, and the momentum indicators suggesting continued strength. The overnight futures market and pre-market indicators would provide additional confirmation, but the technical structure supports a higher opening. The proximity to recent highs and the bullish alignment of indicators favor a positive start to the session. Support and resistance analysis. Key support levels are identified at 179.57, 20-day SMA and Bollinger Band middle, 178.07, 20-day EMA, and 174.05, Bollinger Band lower. The current price at 181.85 is approximately 2.28 points above the nearest support at 179.57. Resistance levels are located at 185.10, Bollinger Band upper, 184.48, recent high, and 186.00, psychological level. The distance to the nearest resistance at 185.10 is about 3.25 points. Given this positioning, intraday movement patterns are likely to feature initial tests of resistance levels, with potential pullbacks toward support if resistance holds. The stock may experience range-bound trading between these levels before a directional breakout. Possible high and low values based on ATR 14. The average true range, ATR, stands at 4.54, indicating average daily volatility. Based on this, the possible high for the next trading day is calculated as 181.85 plus 4.54 is equal to 186.39, while the possible low is 181.85 minus 4.54 is equal to 177.31. These levels represent the expected trading range under normal volatility conditions. However, given the current trend strength and proximity to highs, the actual range may skew toward the upper end of this projection, with potential for an extended move beyond 186.39 if bullish momentum accelerates. Possible scenarios. The primary scenario involves a continuation of the uptrend, with the stock breaking above resistance at 185.10 to challenge the recent high at 184.48 and potentially reaching new highs above 186.00. This scenario would be supported by increasing volume and strengthening momentum indicators. The alternative scenario involves a pullback towards support levels around 179.57 to 178.07, where buyers may emerge to sustain the longer-term uptrend. A third scenario involves consolidation between 179.57 and 185.10 as the stock gathers momentum for the next directional move. The technical indicators slightly favor the bullish continuation scenario, though the overbought short-term oscillators suggest the possibility of temporary consolidation. Conclusion: NVIDIA Corporation remains in a strong technical position with a clear upward trend across multiple timeframes. The stock is trading near recent highs with key moving averages providing dynamic support below. Momentum indicators, while showing some short-term divergence, largely confirm the bullish structure. The risk-reward profile appears favorable for continued upside, with critical support levels providing defined downside protection. Investors should monitor the resistance levels around 185 to 186 for potential breakout signals, while maintaining awareness of the overbought conditions in some short-term oscillators. The overall technical evidence supports the continuation of the long-term uptrend, with near-term consolidation providing potential buying opportunities on dips toward support levels. The stock's ability to maintain above key moving averages will be crucial for sustaining the positive momentum.